Epson Stylus C88 Plus. The next printer that we have for you is the Epson Stylus C88 Plus. There are two drawbacks to using a color printer that utilizes just a single ink cartridge intended for all the colors needed. Firstly, in case the printer is used often, the ink will quickly run out. Secondly, you'll be replacing the cartridge frequently. The second problem concerns the general quality of the printed material. If just a single ink cartridge is utilized, the quality of the print is severely affected. Epson's Stylus requires numerous ink cartridges. This fixes both problems because you'll just have to replace one cartridge and the quality will be significantly better. Furthermore, if you employ color printers with many cartridges, you might discover that you are supposed to change individual ink cartridges far less frequently than if you were using a color printer with just a single ink cartridge. A link to this product is given in the description below.